are in conversation with Sarvesh Gupta, he is a CISO at Bank of Baroda. Welcome on the show, sir.
Thank you.
My first question is, as a CISO of one of the largest public sector banks in India, what are the challenges faced by you?
Uh, as such, I would not say many challenges, but definitely there are certain areas which we are working and we have to work more upon that. Uh, One of the area where the pace of digitization, IT infrastructure using digital uh, products are being rolled out to the customers. Uh, I think education at the customer end and employee end is not matching. So there is a huge mismatch between these two. So customer education, employee education is one of the key challenge where we have to really work upon. Other thing is that so far cyber security was seen as in isolation. It was more of IT or sometimes it was part of the risk management. Now this has to be integrated with the business, and in Bank of Baroda we are really able to integrate with the business. So right from the product conceptualization to product implementation to rollout and operationalization, security is involved in all the phases. So I think these are the two major changes which we have to bring as part of the security culture in the bank.
And what are the new emerging technologies you are adopting or maybe partnering with fintechs on those lines to protect and fortify the best of the practices?
Bank of Baroda has adopted approach 3-in-1 approach, which means business goals are prime. Secondary is support from the IT platform to provide these business to fulfill the business goals, and third is security is supporting the role of IT as well as business. So if you look, this is a 3-in-1 approach, and multiple new initiatives which we have taken. For example, Bank of Baroda has set up two center of excellence, one on IT, another is on analytics. Cyber security is closely working with that to leverage the capability of these two center of excellences, and we will be improving our security posture using this, like through predictive analysis, through threat detection, threat hunting, could be quick response, or maybe sometimes automated response using the runbook kind of thing. So these are the things which we are planning. Other thing, we are already part of the two blockchain communities. There also we are working to explore the possibility, implement those solutions, and blockchain technology can be used for securing our environment, maximizing the efficiency, minimizing the risk of the bank. Other thing which we have recently partnered with IIT Mumbai, there we are setting up innovation center. There our focus area would be on many new technologies like analytics, AR, VR, robotics, uh, machine learning, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, data science. So a large gamut of security, business and technology services are being.
At Bank of Baroda, how are you managing the whole infrastructure setup with respect to cyber security? Ongoing changes which you do at the back end?
I would bifurcate into two parts. One is your governance structure processes, which has to be integrated part of that. Then second part is the security operations. As I said, we have set up very recently, for last about 2 years. We are closely integrated with the business processes. So right from the conceptualization to implementation, security is taken care of. And as part of the security operations center, we have our 24/7 captive SOC center. which has many advanced security monitoring tools, and it is a continuously we are upgrading that by introducing new kind of tools. Recently we have implemented many new technologies in that.
Okay. All right, sir. Those were some really great insights. Thank you so much for talking to Fin
Thank you.
Business.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching Fin Business.